Everything Claude Code. 125 skills, 28 agents, and 60+ commands, all designed to make Step 1, /plan. Before writing a single line of code, we tell Claude what we want to build: a SaaS Task Manager with authentication, team workspaces, real-time sync, and Step 2, /TDD. Now we build the authentication system, but tests come first. Claude scaffolds 18 tests for sign-up, login, password reset. Step 3, /security scan. Before deploying, Agent Shield scans our 87 files against 102 security rules. It catches a critical issue, a JWT secret hard code. Step 4, /E2E. Time to test the real user journey. Claude generates Playwright tests that walk through the entire flow. Sign up, create a team, add a task. Step 5, /search first. We need real-time sync for the task board. Instead of building WebSocket logic from scratch, Claude searches NPM and finds 3 options. Socket.io. Step 6, /learn. After building 5 features, Claude has been watching our patterns. It extracts 3 instincts: our API response format at 92% confidence. Step 7, /content engine. Launch day. We write one launch announcement, and Claude adapts it for every platform. A 6-tweet thread for X with hook. That's everything Claude Code. From idea to plan, to tests, to security, to deploy, to marketing, all in one tool. 50,000+ GitHub stars,